What size are these, bud? What size speaker? 8-inch? All right. Wow. Are these batteries? Yeah. Okay. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound. Can you show me the back? Kind of see how does the back open up at all? So like, is there an amp staging or port or anything? Oh, okay. So he's got a mini. Wow, that's smart. A mini PVC with 2 8s, and he's got his crossovers. And this is the only amp on his speakers. That 404.
That's on the high.
Okay.
Amp under the bottom.
It's 1500.
Underneath? Oh, okay. Oh, underneath. Got it. That's for the subs. Is that at 1 ohm on these subs? Wow. And that's all battery power. You just charge at the house. All right. How much headway?
16 amp hours.
16. Do you know the tuning roughly?
It's tuned to 45.
Okay.
That's when you burp from, but I believe it's a little low.
Okay. Are you able to burp it right here? Wow. And you said it broke a 60.
Yeah, it goes 165, 166.
That's pretty sweet. That's pretty cool. Awesome. That's cool. You know, it's a lot of work to do this, even if it don't seem it.
It is.
To get it right, tune it, and then also make sure it's safe and drivable. And even, are these speakers, they're not waterproof, I'm guessing. They're not marine, they're just standard. So this is a 6.5.
6.5, 2 8s. We had 2 of the 6.5, and we
Punctured
punctured it with one.
it? Okay. It's got a horn too. And he's got for lights. And these speakers up here. Nice. That's pretty sweet. How many miles you got on it? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
So what do you got in your car? What do you have in your car?
I used to have 418, but I'm back to 424.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed that full walk around we got of his Power Wheels system. Him and his dad's built this and has done a good job. Give him a like and comment. 2 8-inch subs rated at 400 watts RMS on a total of 1500 watt RMS amplifier at 1 ohm. And he said he broke a 165 in that poor SPL meter. Pretty impressive. Powered by this lithium bank. You never really see a system like this in a car wheel system. Go ahead and give him a follow if you want. Check him out, The Bear Mobile on TikTok. And we're going to be getting a Subwoofer Flex demo and all of the speaker walk around, as well as playing. He's going to be driving it. Pretty cool to see him tune the box with a PVC tuning, so you can kind of get a little bit more airflow out of that port instead of it being a sealed box. And he has all of these mid-range tweeters and speakers run on this 4-channel Teraamps amp. So big bass booming on the subs, and then also the big walk around you're going to see with all of the speakers playing. So definitely be sure to comment what you like about the system. And this is a one-of-a-kind style Power Wheel system. You don't see this every day. So subscribe if you haven't for daily car audio videos on my channel, and enjoy.
I remember the taste of bitterness. When the take it back. Climax, I've fallen somehow. Feet off the ground. Love is the cloud that keeps raining down. Where are you now? When I need you around, I'm on my knees, but it seems we're coming over fast. We've reached the climax. We're together, now we're undone. One command, so we choose to run away. Do we separate? Can't take it back. I can't at all, at all, at all, at gave up, can't take it back. Climax.
So you have a little system in here for the fuse for the back amp. Nice.
Just say it's better if we love each other separately. I just need you one more time. I can't get what we had on my mind. Where are you now? When I need you around, I'm on my knees, but it seems we're going out. Don't touch my truck. AC busted and the floorboards rusted with a little bit of love and it'll fire right up. Payday for it, would've gave 8 more. Would you trade that sucker for $1,000,000? Time boy, come and get me. Drink my liquor, you can call my lady, you can take my money, you can smoke my blood, scuff these Jordans, you can say you